What do you think about the Fed today? What do you think is going to be the initial reaction short term to this?
Hard question. Back in the old days, the reactions were severe. They were ruthless. You know, there are opinions on both sides. Usually, after a rate hike or a stagnant number, you know, the market does what it wants to do. You know what? So they're definitely going to raise it today. I mean, it appears, right? That's the bet, and I think that's kind of priced into the market. I think what's super important is how we're going to look towards 2019, right? That's what everyone's looking for. I think we priced this sort of in. I mean, at least the positivity today. You know, yesterday the market tested the February lows in the S&P, and the market sort of bounced right off of that, and we've been up ever since. So short-term wise, market felt super oversold, and yes, you are. So they're going to come out with the number. They're going to raise the rate. The market's, you know, surely is going to go up and down 100 points because there are people on both sides of the trade, right? And it's going to be short and it's going to be fast. It's going to be furious. And then I think it'll settle down. Obviously, we're going to wait for what the guidance goes, you know, going forward for 2019. And I think that's super, super significant in this setting because you know, we've been raising consecutively every corner for the last couple of years, right? And we did it relative to economic data that was felt relevant and felt that it could absorb the number. But it sort of seems so. Some people are saying that the market got ahead of itself, that the interest rates raises need to go into a pause mode because that the economy can no longer support it. I'm not, you know, and that's why we're seeing this sell-off over the last couple of months and the give back of all profits for 2018. I kind of don't think that's it. We've talked about what happened here in October and November. I think it's more of the incoherent policies coming out of Washington. I think the market's engaging the anxiety of what's coming out of Washington, which I'm not a usual proponent of politics and the markets meeting themselves head to head, but I think that's what's happening. The president has been going up against the Fed, telling them what he thinks they should do. Not a good thing, right? The Fed is supposed to maintain independence from politics 100%. So, you know, is he going to hold his ground, Powell, and do what he thinks is right? I'm surely hoping so. The president is by no means an economist, right? And I think that he really shouldn't have that much say in it. So are they going to butt heads? Are they going to go their separate ways? How is the market going to react? Are we going to get sort of coherency by what the Fed says about going forward into 2019? Or are we going to get battered by tweets coming out when he doesn't agree with the president? So it's, you know what, I think it's going to be a volatile day. The market had a nice sort of solid morning. It seems technical. It seems a buy into the news, buy the rumor, sell the news. So I don't have a clear direction on what's going to happen.
Well, Peter, I think that you just covered the Fed of Christmas past, present, and future. Thank you for that.
They don't call me Scrooge for nothing.